Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, with a C8 here. I'm just going to shoot a quick video of the first panel I started on this car. I really don't have any real rhyme or reason to why I start wherever I start, just whatever I feel like. But that's not what I'm shooting the video for. What I'm shooting the video for is to show the first-time user the difference between some Clearbrow. This is primarily just a comparison between parts of the car that are wrapped versus not wrapped. And there's one panel that's wrapped. Let me wipe this off over here. And I'm right in the middle of it, obviously. So what it is the only panel wrapped on this car, like I said, the first one, I'll get right to it, is the rear quarter right there. So there's the door. Probably doesn't show up on the video that well, but the gloss is incredibly different. That's one of the points of Clearbrow, besides all the protection benefits that it offers and no waxing, things like that, and self-healing. However, what I'm showing you is how I do it and the way I wrap all the edges. So here we go. That's not wrapped, and that is the first panel I wrapped that quarter. So let's come up a little bit closer. Let's open this door. By the way, I did wrap this piece already. You can see it right there, it's still drying. But what I've begun is I've wrapped in the top, and this is all wrapped in, this is all wrapped in, this is all wrapped in. Okay, so I'm gonna come across here and show you all that's wrapped in. So it's wrapped into the engine bay. So I'm gonna come around now to the bottom, because I wrapped the bottom last, obviously, gravity. So we're all in here tight. Here's our bottom. So this is what's gonna wrap around. Pretty thick product. That's what's gonna wrap around underneath to give you that full wrap. Also, what's gonna wrap around inside this air intake, where this plastic, this is already wrapped there, that's hanging. So I can wrap that. It'll take a lot of hits from rocks later. But this piece here is gonna wrap inside that red where the black meets, that'll get hit too. So there it is. I'm just showing you the clarity of the Clearbrow. A lot of new people are getting these cars and learning about Clearbrow still. And this kind of gives you an idea of what should happen. When you go and drop your car off for Clearbrow, you should be talking to your installer and finding out what edges are they capable of wrapping with their experience and which edges can't be wrapped. For example, if you were to come over to this area, wrapping in this little area is tough. Most of the time, I can get it. This one here is a little tighter than most. The tolerances are different on all these cars, just like any car when they put them together. But this entire quarter gets wrapped, every edge of that quarter. So I hope this helps. You can see the gloss on that quarter and on that black. And then if you look at that bumper, you can see a definite difference. And on top of this, when I'm done, I'm gonna throw a pretty heavy layer of ceramic, or a couple layers of ceramic on it, so that car will shine all the time. That car over there is 6 years old, and it has a lot of, it's a full wrap with ceramic on top, and it shines like a diamond. But that's what I specialize in, mostly full cars. Here's another full car. He's just about wrapping up. But there you go, folks. C8 Corvette, obviously 2020. Getting ready to wrap up to 21, I think, on the 5th of December. Today's the 1st. And if you have any questions, you can reach me at clearbrownorthdallas.com. I'm Brent. And I'd be happy to go over what I can do for your C8 or whatever car you have, and get you guys going on the right road to keep your cars looking new. And remember, I've had a client approach me today where he asked me, well, I'm not going to get my money out of this aftermarket product. That's probably true. The way you get your money out of it is the condition of the car. Whenever we look at something, it's condition. So if you wrap the car, chances are your condition is going to be great, which will bring you that money. So there you go, folks. clearbrownorthdallas.com if you need anything, and thank you and have a good night.